this video I will show you how to remove the front seats of the Impreza GEB and how you can save weight. First we have to remove this bolt and the other one in front. So after both bolts in front are off, we will move the seat forward so we can get to the two bolts behind the seat. So maybe you can see it. I think it's not original because on the other side there were like plastic pieces like here. So I will remove this one, but first take out the carpet. So what is that? Maybe you can see it's 100, maybe it's yen, could be, maybe someone of you knows. I think definitely it's 100 yen, very cool. So I will remove this one with a piece like this. It's made from plastic and will not scratch any material here. Yeah, here's the other one, and we'll see how to remove this one. So finally made it. Here's the last one. So we need to detach this cable from the seat. To remove this, you see here is a small piece of plastic on top of the plug. So you just press from top. You just need to press on top of this. After removal it looks like this, a little bit dirty. So now we can install the new seat rails. My Hawkeye Spec C weighed from factory 1,390 kilograms, which is pretty nice, but it's not with a full tank. I made a list of every part that was moved out or added to the car. I tried to weigh all the parts which were installed or removed, but some parts I could not weigh because they were removed or installed in Japan, so I could not really weigh. After all that, I drove to an auto shop with an auto scale. I had all liquids at maximum, like oil, water, fuel tank, and the result is 1,381 kilograms, which is pretty nice, but my goal is to reach 1,350 kilograms. So it's still a long way off. Possible steps now for me to remove more weight would be lighter wheels. Original wheels weighed 8.6 kilogram per wheel. Lighter battery. Here I could save like 9 kilograms because these small batteries like from light blocks or something similar weigh around 1.6 to 2 kilograms, so it's not that much. But they cost around 500 to 800 euros. I could remove the radio, the double DIN radio. Carbon fiber hood is an option I thought quite a long time for. Usually it looks very nice, but for the money to buy one here in Germany and get it legal on street with all the taxes and stuff like that, the battery and the wheels would be like same from price, but not from weight. I think with the battery and the wheels I could save much more than with the hood, with the carbon fiber hood. So yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and to vote for my next videos. I will make like a story so you can vote what you are interested in to see next. And special thanks to all the people over the world who watch my videos. And there will be soon quite a nice surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. Bye bye.
Crying out its prayer, why are we so ashamed to be alive?